Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YesCoin unable to log in. There are a few solutions you can do, so let me go through them. But before I start with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first solution, if you are on your iOS phone or Android Play Store, Android phone, to go to the App Store or Google Play Store and then update Telegram to the latest version. Another thing to do is go to your settings. If you are on your iOS settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage, then wait for it to load up. Once it's loaded up, what you want to do is find Telegram like so, and you want to delete the app and reinstall the app again from the App Store. If you are on your Android, so you want to go to menu, more, settings, or menu, settings, privacy and security, and clear cache that way. And if you want to delete the app, go to Google Play Store. At the top right, tap the profile icon, tap manage apps and devices, manage, tap the name of the app you want to delete, and then tap install. Now, if these things still didn't work, go back to your Telegram and type in /start, and it's going to give you this pop-up again, and then click on play for airdrop again. If it's still not working, what you can do is type in /Twitter, go to Twitter, and basically contact them and tell them, hey, it's not working, can you help me out? And basically those are the solutions so that it starts working. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.